Today I'm going to talk about capillary plugs. If you're interested in dark field microscopy, which is different from light blood analysis, just have a look at this video. So what is a capillary plug? A capillary plug is a toxic buildup leading to crystallization in capillaries. In other words, the capillaries get weak and burst, releasing these capillary-shaped crystals into the bloodstream. So what you are looking at is not an artifact created by dust on the slide. On the contrary, it is a crystal in the shape of a capillary. These things are waste products that do not exist within the body. You can only see these things once the blood has been taken out of the body and will create crystals within the slide. It is very common to see these capillary plugs, which come in many different shapes, whenever you are looking at live blood. So on a single page, being a page, every time you look at an image on a slide, whenever you see these things, it means that for some reason your body is accumulating waste products. So I believe, in my opinion, that a thorough cleanse or cleansing of all systems is in order. Pause the video if you're interested in reading a little bit more about the concept of capillary, for example. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day. Cheers.